I'm Jennifer Branchini, and I'm ready to be your treasurer. During this year of campaigning across the state, I've learned how important my campaign promise of vision, voice, and value is to our profession. I want to talk to you about voice. You each have very different and unique voices, but what I have heard from each of you is that we are stronger together. This means unifying our voice and taking back the headlines. As your treasurer, here are the stories we can write. C.A.R. streamlines products and services development process. C.A.R. helps put homeownership front and center in Sacramento, Washington, D.C., and at City Hall. C.A.R. builds war chests to fight back attacks on our profession. Realtors are indispensable to every real estate transaction. Here's how we write these headlines. By recognizing no matter what your business model is, we have to work as one. C.A.R. has people and money. We have to be wise and flexible with how we use these resources. We need to speak up. That means every realtor, new, experienced, every platform, online, door to door. We are the voice of real estate, and we know what we're saying. You spoke, I listened. Now let's get to work.